Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a new vlog. It's going to be a day in my life as a 12th grader and also an orange theme day. Firstly, waking up to this beautiful sunrise will instill a hope in us to rise again. And this summer, I replaced coffee with green tea. Of course, green tea doesn't taste good, but it's very good for health. And coffee is really addictive, but I am making a habit of drinking green tea every morning. But replacing my morning coffee with green tea will make us lose the little joy we still have left in our life. Matlab, coffee has made a huge impact on me and getting over it is really hard, but I'm trying my best. And my holidays started a long back, and also do let me know ki if your school is going on or do you guys also have holidays and what are your plans for this vacation. Matlab, being a JEE aspirant, we have no vacation, no holidays. Matlab, this 1 year we'll have to work hard at any cost. And it's the time for breakfast, and when I said my mom ki mom, I'm gonna do the orange theme wala video, she grated the carrot and made this delicious dosa with some chutney, and even my plate and my chutney bowl is also orange. Matlab, this is going to be a true orange theme wala video. You will notice it all. Then I got back into my room and realized that my desk is so dusty. I need to clean all of that because it's been nearly 1 or 2 weeks that I haven't reorganized everything. So that's what I'm basically doing here. And also, before we study or get back to work, we'll have to make sure whether our environment is clean or not, because a good environment will automatically make us feel happy, motivated, and also we will feel productive enough throughout our study routine. And few of you have asked me in the comments कि क्या आपके 12th के backlogs बने हैं? Of course, by 12th के backlogs मुझे सिर्फ physics में हुए हैं. Apart from that, chemistry as well as mathematics, I'm up to date. Physics में I still have 2-3 lectures to listen, and also questions भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे से करनी है. मतलब थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करने में टाइम लग रहा. बट सलीम सर ऑल्सो सेड यू आर इन द स्टेज वेयर यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड क्वेश्चंस, बट इफ यू वर्क ऑन देम, if you do them and practice them very well, you can face any such kind of question easily. चुटकी में हो जाएगा. So basically all we have to do is not to give up. It's very hard for not giving up, because if we don't get the questions के answers even after listening the lecture once, twice, thrice, and also solving the questions in the class में हो जाते हैं solve, but DPPs या homework जो देते हैं उसमें solve नहीं होते. We feel like giving up. अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा. But we have to have that little hope in us कि अगर मैं आज ये questions practice करूँगी, that will be helpful for me in the future. Future मतलब in the exam, JEE का exam. And here comes the summer special drink. Summer is all about drinks, ice creams, and all masti maza, right? So we shouldn't miss that. Masti maza तो पानी में गया चपाक. But at least food, no compromises over food. And later I did chemistry का एक lecture मेरा नहीं हुआ था, notes भी छूट गया था. So that's what I'm doing here. Chemistry, physical chemistry is so good यार. Out of 3 subjects, no, chemistry मुझे बहुत अच्छे से समझ आता है. It's all about formulae, and Amit sir is the one who grabbed my interest towards the physical chemistry. The way he teaches is just hats off to him. And for lunch today, I had carrot curry and delicious drumstick sambar. My mom makes yummy food. घर का खाना ही होता है. Nothing can match the vibe of home food. And उसके बाद 4 o'clock को हमारे classes start होते हैं, so I'm listening to that. And first class was chemistry today. So chemistry पढ़ रही थी, notes बना रही थी, questions solve कर रही थी. And the next class we had was mathematics. Mathematics में determinants का chapter खत्म हो गया. 2 बाय होते हैं matrices and determinants. हमने एक बाय के बारे में पढ़ लिया. अब हम दूसरे बाय के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं, that's matrices. These 2 are different and interesting chapters, and as I already said, we had this in our first intermediate में, first year में ही था. In 11th only we had got this covered, but that was boards का level. Now we are doing the questions of mains and advanced level, so difference is too much, but questions are interesting. And for night today I made Yippee. As it's orange theme, I had to choose Yippee over Maggie. It's the savior of all time because हमें जब कुछ बनाने का मन नहीं लगता 2 मिनट में या फिर 4-5 मिनट if we add extra ingredients in our recipe, हमारा Maggie या Yippee बन के ready हो जाता है. And since most of you have been asking after I uploaded my mark sheet of intermediate कि are you going to write the improvements? No guys, I'm not writing. Because 455 on 470, according to me, it's good. Most of my marks I lost is in second language. Hindi choose करने की वजह से I got 95 on 100. Others my friends have chosen Sanskrit and they got 99. अगर मैं हिंदी choose नहीं करती, then I would have easily scored 460 or 460 plus only. But the main reason why I chose Hindi is it's my Matrubhasha and I love Hindi. And even if I'm able to give the voiceover in Hindi today, even if I'm from South India, it's because I have chosen my second language as Hindi since my 6th grade. And we have come to an end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this vlog. I'll meet you all again. Till then, goodbye, take care, and make sure that you keep following me on YouTube. Bye bye guys, take care.